Does the classic Cuckoo defeat the modern upgrade in your kitchen? Both promise perfect rice, but the difference is in the details. Let's break down features, performance, and value to decide the winner. Meet the CR-0631F, the pink and white classic dominating kitchens everywhere. It features intelligent cooking algorithms and a simple, clear LCD display. The real benefit here is consistently fluffy, perfectly textured GABA rice. Watch how it handles 6 cups of white rice effortlessly. The build is sturdy with a charming, rounded aesthetic design. Cleaning is simple with the detachable inner lid and coating, ideal for small families or students wanting reliable daily meals. The main pro is the unbeatable durability and consistent flavor. However, the cooking time is slower than modern pressure cookers, a reliable, cute workhorse for everyday rice needs. Now, the CR-0632F, the sleek, modern sibling with sharper lines. This model upgrades the interface with a streamlined, intuitive dashboard. The turbo cooking function is a lifesaver for busy evenings. Performance is identical in quality, delivering soft, delicious grains. The design is squarer, more contemporary, fitting minimalist kitchen vibes. Ease of use remains high with similar detachable cleaning parts. Best for style-conscious cooks who need speed and aesthetics. The biggest pro is the turbo mode and updated look. The cons, it's often slightly pricier for very similar functionality. A fantastic modern refresh of a legendary kitchen appliance. If you want value, buy the classic. For speed, the modern. Both are winners, but the modern design takes my vote.